Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Hansol and today I am gonna be showing you how I did this makeup and this hairstyle.
So there's gonna be my favorite stuff and products in this video, and they will be a little dirty because I've used them for a long time and I haven't bought many new cosmetics products nowadays, so they will be so dirty because I'm a nerdy girl.
So if you guys are interested in my makeup, please keep watching it and let's get started. At first, I use Espoir Pro Tailor liquid foundation to cover my skin. And then I use IOP air cushion to cover my skin once more. There are some spots I want to conceal, so I use the Sam's Tip Concealer. When I was filming, the air got so dry, so I just wanted to put some toner as I didn't have any mists. Skin is done and now I'ma start eye makeup. I love this Etude House palette. I can put any shadows I want. Among these, I use Aurora Apricot to make a base on my eyes. I put this shadow on my eyes, outer corner, and a bit under my eyes. I always curl my eyelashes before drawing eye lines. Now I'm gonna use IOP Perfect Defining Eyeliner. This is a liquid type and I usually start drawing it from the end of the line till the middle of my eyes. As I have different two eyes, one is monolid and another is double lid, it's really difficult to make them equal. Then using BR402, one of my favorite color, I make the lines smoothly merge with the base color. I cover the lines with the shadow. Now I'm going to make my eyebrows as I have so pathetic of them. I don't usually draw them straight but a little more carved. Oh, my contact lenses are getting dry. And then I use eyebrow comb to make my eyebrows natural. Now I'm going to make my eyelashes visible by using this mascara. This mascara sometimes get too many and makes some clusters, so I use old mascara to comb my eyelashes and make them even. Oh, I forgot to apply a bright color under my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna do it. I don't really see the difference after doing it, but I just do it anyway. And now I'm gonna contour my face, but I lost my brushes, so just gonna do it by my finger. I just make some shadow under my jaws and beside my cheeks. And now I use Makeup Forever Red Orange color lipstick. First, I apply it on the middle of my lips and make it spread using my fingers. And then to make my lip lines clear, carefully apply it again. And now I just want to put more mascara on the lashes. Now makeup is done and I'm going to show how I do my hair real quick. I use my curling iron and curl my hair outside. It's just really simple. And now I finished my hair curling and now I'm gonna put my earrings. These earrings are gonna make my makeup so much brighter. I got these rings from Vero Moda last week and I really love them. Wow! Now everything is done. Thank you guys so much for watching my first makeup video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please give it a big thumbs up if you want more makeup videos. And I'll see you in the next episode.